Toronto Tower, very good morning. Etihad 7 Mike Foxtrot, super fully established ILS 2 4 right.
Just 7 Mike Foxtrot here, super Toronto Tower, good morning. Continue approach, only 2 for right, the winds are 100 less than 5. Just 7 Mike Foxtrot, super, the winds are 110 less than 5, clear to land, only 2 for right.
Clear to land 2 4 right, Etihad 7 Mike Foxtrot.
Just 7 Mike Foxtrot, take the right onto Delta at the end. Sorry, make the Delta 8 and then join Delta, contact ground 119.
Roger, join Delta 6 and Delta 119.